Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody. Let's take a look at the euro currency again. So as you can see, we still have got the bearish grabber on daily chart USD. So we have talked about it in the morning. As we said, that price action not very impressive, and let's keep watching what will happen, because if grabber will be formed, this will be another headache for the bulls, because potentially grabber suggests the taking out of these lows. And from the daily point of view, it looks logical, because take a look, we have here the A, B, C top, minor COP target has not been completed. So now they are standing in the same direction. So the completion of the grabber will also let euro to complete the COP target. It stands at 122 even. Another moment that we have here is take a look that whole week or even longer, as previous week as well, market is calling around monthly pivot point. So this is mostly indicates indecision, which also doesn't bring some really confidence to the bulls in the upward continuation, because currently we see some kind of the deviation, guys, between the different dollar related assets. For example, if you take a look at the gold market yesterday has completed perfectly the setup that we have specified in video, and has turned to the upward action, while on the euro currency we do not see this price behavior. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, we also see the failure of the upward breakout here. So you can see that the trend line still stands valid, and as well as the megaphone patterns we have discussed also has not been broken to the upside. So market has made an attempt but collapsed yesterday, has failed to do this. This in turn keeps valid our yesterday discussion of the possible, I don't know how to call it better, let's call it some kind of the if you remember, we have talked about it, kind of the diamond shape or something of that sort. So just recall what we have talked about it recently, right? So here was an attempt, but it keeps valid overall structure. Usually when the market is forming this kind of the construction, is double consolidation versus widening, later it starts to narrowing it. Personally, guys, I do not want to rely on the diamonds and usually use them in trading, because this is really very tricky pattern, and it's mostly it fails more often than it works, and it's very rare pattern. But currently we have a kind of shape, and in fact we could use only the half of it. It's kind of triangle here is forming, and usually when the market is forming such constructions, the exit out of them usually very fast in one or other direction. So let's keep watching, because you can see there's really not a lot of space till this construction will be over, and the market will have to turn one or to the other side. Meantime, today, guys, I think that it's too early to take the long position, because if you'll take a look at the 30-minute chart, yesterday we said we have specified two major moments that market should complete to give us the chance for taking the long position. First moment, it should be kind of the ABCD action that could point precisely on the level that we could use for taking position. Second is some clear bullish reversal pattern around this fib level. So currently you can see that first issue is not very important right now, because actually here we have just last fib level, so no other fib levels we have. So 3.8 fib level and weekly pivot points, market has dropped lower. Currently, guys, we do not have here the clear bullish reversal patterns. Well, we could probably suggest that here maybe it's kind of the hand shoulders, very steep pattern has been formed. You can see this could become the left shoulder, kind of the head, right shoulder, maybe, but well, it doesn't look like really good pattern, so it's mostly pattern that we could imagine here, trying to recognize, but it's not very clear. Besides, market now stands in kind of the ABC retracement up. Here's kind of catalyst triple to sell is forming, and overall price action, if you'll take a look at this price behavior that we have here, it doesn't look like very reliable, so it's a bit chaotic. So take a look at the 15-minute chart, take a look what the shape of this pattern. It's no really good signs of thrust. Something is starting here, but in this area it's definitely not the action of this kind. It mostly looks like the retracement, guys. That's why I'm not sure that's very reliable, and keep in mind that we have the bearish grabber on the daily. This is not very attractive situation for taking the long position. So if you somehow have taken the long position here, well, in this case, of course, you could keep and just move your stops to the break even, keep watching. But currently, guys, the chances on another leg down still exist here, just by the shape of this price action and the patterns that we have on the daily chart. And what is more important is that market wasn't able to show the breakout here to the upside. That's really important. That's why personally, guys, I need a bit more bullish signs to make the decision on position taken on the euro currency right now.